can help you, baby.
Titty.
Hello everyone, welcome back. These are pages 38 and 39 of the Let's Go 4 workbook, and we're starting Unit 5, which is called Outdoors and Indoors. So we're going to learn about things that we can do outside and inside. And this part is the Let's Talk section. So this is the dialogue from your student books, which looked like this.
Hi, Scott. Where are you?
We're at the roller coaster.
Can you wait for us?
Sure, but hurry.
Thanks for waiting for us.
No problem.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Great. Now, this part's actually very easy. We just have to look, read, and then circle the right one. Here we go. Hi, Scott. Where are you? We're at the roller coaster. We went on the roller coaster. We're at. Can you wait for us? Fantastic. Sure, but hurry. Sure, we can wait, but hurry up. Come fast. Wow, thanks for waiting for us. I'm sorry. Thanks for waiting for us. No problem. No problem. I'm so excited. That's okay. I'm so excited. Me too. Part A is done. And this is part B. For part B, we learned 6 different feelings on this page, and this is testing your memory of those feelings. So in your student books, the feelings look like this.
Excited. Worried. Interested. Surprised. Bored. Embarrassed.
Okay, and here, the feelings have their spellings all mixed up. So maybe you can look at your student book to figure out the spellings. That's what I'm gonna do. Here we go. Number 1, Redbow. No, she is not Redbow, she is bored. So B-O-R-E-D, bored. The next one, Sedpresser. No, when this pops up, he does not feel Sedpresser, he feels surprised. Sir, S-U-R, P-R-I-S, surprise, surprise, surprised. The next one, she has a big piano recital. She does not feel dayro, she feels worried. Look, they just wrote it backwards. She's worried, she's nervous, R-R-I-E-D. Next, he came to work to see what this man was doing, and he is very treesdiant. No, he is very interested. Interested. In-I-N-ter, T-E-R-S-E-S, Ted, T-E-D, interested. Next, she is going to a concert to see a rock star, and so she feels very sixy-da-da. No, she does not feel sixy-da-da. She feels excited. So let's write excited. Excite. Excited. The last one. Oh dear, he dropped his lunch tray. Food went everywhere. Everybody is looking at him. Oh, he must feel very radas rembes. No, he does not feel radas rembes. He feels embarrassed. Let's write that. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D. Embarrassed. And that is all for part C. And this is part C, and it says look and write. So we're just gonna fill in the blank to tell how each person or people are feeling. All right, number 1, it says there's a theater, so this is a movie theater, and it says big show tonight. So they're both going to go to the show, maybe a concert or something, or a movie. And it says, me too. Well, she's happy. It's something that doesn't happen every day, so I think she's excited. Let's write excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. Next one, they are talking about these two. And this boy says, they're, so am I. Well, it looks like they are waiting. They have nothing to do. They are not happy, so I think they are bored. B-O-R-E-D. They're bored. Done. Great job, everybody.